Newish feature number 2, payment registration. So you have probably been used to capturing your payments from customers via a cash receipt journal, possibly imported from your bank account. And this is just another way of doing it, a different and perhaps easier way depending on how you reconcile your customer payments. So let's say, for example, your customer has provided you with a remittance advice detailing what they are paying. You can use this to process a payment registration. And there are 2 ways to get to it. The first is to obviously use your good old-fashioned search function. If I search for payment registrations, I can go over here and it will give me a list of all the outstanding entries across my entire debtors book. I could filter this by date, by customer, etc., and then start processing, but probably more likely you would be doing this one customer at a time. So best way to do it, select the customer and click over here under the home menu, register customer payments. If you don't see it, it is sitting over here under the actions menu. And if you still don't see it, you may have your short menus turned on. Just turn that off. Not sure I like the short menus option in Business Central, but there you have it. And so I've got my customer selected. Click there. These are all the outstanding entries for this account, Selangorian. And 2 ways to capture. I can simply go and tick, tick, tick. Or if the customer is not settling a transaction in full, I can go and up there, you get over there in the amounts column, capture an amount. It's just giving me a heads up that I am not settling the full balance. A couple of other options. I can go here to details and it will give me a nice little summary of what it's doing. It is going to process that transaction, and I can go back. This is for one particular transaction showing me what I'm owing, some information about it. And then let's have a look at the options for posting. I'm going to use the preview option. Click on preview posting payments. In this case, I've selected 4 transactions to pay, and it is going to process a single payment entry per line, like so. Or I could choose instead to post in bulk. So if I use this option, it's only going to put 1 transaction onto my customer, but of course it is going to settle all of these transactions, and if I post this, it will then leave me with only a couple of transactions remaining outstanding. All I have to do now is decide how am I going to post one of those options. I can also check if I want to post. This is my default setup, so I have got this to post through a particular batch and through a particular bank account. I can change this and select a different account. For example, I could go, okay, let's use that one. And all I have to do now is post it, and that will settle those entries. I think it's quite useful. It's to me, very user-friendly and intuitive. I hope you enjoy it. Cheers for now.